Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best app that pays you to run and walk for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram page and I want you to go check that out and give me a follow. So all you got to do is go on Instagram, search for App Grind, hit that follow button, and drop me a DM if you have any questions about any of my videos, or if you have some suggestions on videos you would like for me to post in the near future. Alright guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on the Google Play Store and I put up this app. The name of this app is Runtopia. So it's Runtopia GPS tracker for run, walk, fitness, bike. So let's go ahead and look at the screenshots here. Alright, so it says here, earn digital currency from steps and daily activities. Reward activity with various prizes. Record activities with GPS tracker and get audio alerts. And they have data analysis to better your performance and see improvement. And you're going to stay motivated and connect with your friends with this app. Now let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more. So it says here, Runtopia provides a motivational incentive to convert your activity to sports coins, which can then be exchanged for awesome rewards, such as PayPal cash, prizes, gift cards, and various fitness gear and more. So guys, not only you'll be able to get PayPal cash and gift cards, but you also be able to get fitness gear. So this is a very, very good opportunity, guys, to become healthy and fit and also make some money. So it also says here, make money from fitness. So you're going to be making money by completing running tasks and tracking your steps from sports coin. So use it to buy products you like, electronics, fitness gear, PayPal cash, gift cards, and more. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, this 4.5. Guys, this is one of the best apps out there, guys, because anything over 4 stars is a very good app. And this is halfway to 5 stars. So you know this is a real good app, guys. Now let's just look at a review here. So this review right here, the person said the app is very good, exceptional. Everyone looking forward to a healthy lifestyle should consider using it. So that person is very happy with this app. Okay, guys, I'm not going to say much else about this app right here. So if you want to go ahead and start making money, just walking and running, doing exercise, go ahead and go to Utopia on the Google Play Store. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, one more thing before I go. We're trying to get to 7,000, guys. So I need you guys to share not only this video, all my videos. Please, let's get to 7,000 quick, fast, in a hurry because I'm ready to give away this free money. And I want to give away free money to at least 2 people. I might make it 3 people if we can get to 7,000 subscribers within a week. I'm filming this on a Monday. It's November the 8th. So on November the 15th, if we can get to 7,000, guys, I'm going to give away some free money to 3 people. And it may be $10, $20, $30. So, guys, if you want to be that lucky person to win some free money, please, right now after you watch this video, share this everywhere on all social media accounts. Let's get there. Let's do this, guys. Now, one more thing I want to do before I go. I want to do a shout out. I try to do this every video. And what I do is randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this comment right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your support. Please keep checking out my videos. Please keep hitting that like button. And if you're sharing my videos, keep sharing my videos. All right, that's it, guys. Road to 7,000. Let's get there. Let's go. I'm going to keep saying this every video, guys. Let's get to 7,000. I'm ready to give away this free money. On that note, get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and please have a prosperous day.